Hi.
Hello,
Hello.
Archan.
Hello, kumusta?
Archan, introduce mo ulit ang sarili mo sa mga viewers
Oo
natin.
nga eh, so, suking-suking muna ako, Jen. Actually, for those people who don't know me, my name is Engineer Archon Perez. I'm an industrial engineer by profession, and I am your Mr. World Philippines, Tanawan City, Batangas.
Ayan. Congratulations, by the
Thank
way,
you,
for
thank you.
Manisan at Tanawan City, Batangas.
Thank you so much.
What does it feel?
Actually, it's um, the press presentation is we are happy right now. We feel happy right now because it's already
Hello, hello,
done,
hello,
and
mic
we're
test. Hello,
really
hello, hello,
excited
mic
for
test,
the
mic test.
upcoming activities, especially next week. So I would like to invite everyone that we will be having our top model and swimmer competition in Ilocos, and in the upcoming activity, coming weeks, our beauty with a purpose and head-to-head challenge. That's it.
Ayan. Ngayon ay press presentation and subject ceremony
Mhm.
nyo. Then, suking-suking ka ng mga media. Ano nararamdaman mo? Dami naming tanong sa'yo.
Okay naman. Actually, mas okay talaga na lapitan ako ng media kasi dito ako na-challenge, and then dito ako na-train kung paano ako magsalita, and also ma-improve din yung communication ko. And I'm really happy that the medias are really interacting with me kasi I think they see some potentials in me to be your Mr. World Philippines. And hopefully, sana mag-align yung stars.
Hello, hello, mic
Thank
test.
you.
Hello, hello, mic test. Hello, hello, mic
Ayan.
test.
Dito, I know your B1. Nilagay
Yes.
mo ko tinatag
Mhm.
sa social network.
Mhm.
And you are one of the most visible B1
Thank you so much.
projects
Yes.
sa Mr. World Philippines. Do you think you have the edge with the B1 past athlete?
As what you've said, my view up is very strong because I'm working it for almost 5 years. But I think as long as my view up is presented well during our presentation, I think my view up will exceed or will be showcased well in the presentation. And I just want to share that my view up is I'm creating free storybooks for children. My view up is called The World We Color, Arch in the World We Color, wherein I'm creating free storybooks for children. So as of now, I have 6 books. Namely Tala, Bari, Super Tatay, Ang Hardin ni Lola Ising, Ajaw, and an upcoming book named Lit Lit. And I'm happy that there's a lot of organization having a partnership with me, and through them, I expanded my project, not only my province Batangas, I mentioned earlier, also in Laguna, Romblon, and uh, Bulacan. So hopefully, sana mag-align sa atin, and then mabigay sa akin yung Beauty with a Purpose na award kasi pinagtrabahan ko to, and talagang matibay yung project ko. Hindi lang siya for permanent kasi I can see that like in 10 years, in the upcoming years, like mga 50 storybooks, and then gusto ko sana if I win the Mr. World title and hopefully be the first Mr. World from the Philippines, is through that this platform is ma-expand ko siya worldwide, and then translated into different dialects and languages. And actually, I'm a fan of Disney and Pixar, so I'm thinking if I could do an animation like a Filipino version of Disney and Pixar as well. That's all.
So, speaking about your books, anim siya. Ano yung pinaka-memorable sa anim mo?
Oh, siguro yung pinaka-memorable ko is yung isa, Super Tatay. It's a story dedicated for fathers. And I really admire and love my father. So, lapit talaga ako sa father ko, and I honoring him as being a good and hardworking father. That's it.
Ayan. And I heard kanina na may mga candidates na gusto mag-partner with you.
Yeah, my friend, Aaron. Actually, if you can, if you will visit my Instagram and other social media, all of our contents parang collaboration namin ni Aaron. So we're saying na parang kami yung best friend talaga dito sa batch. Aaron, he's a good man. He's very kind, and I really admire him.
Yeah, I really love it kasi it's very strong. I mean, di ba, no man is an island talaga.
Yeah.
Siyempre, it's better kung dalawa.
Yeah, kaya, sige.
Sige kayo.
Sorry, I genuinely love to talk about my beauty with a purpose. So, yeah, yun nga, sabi ni Aaron, gusto niya mag-collab kami, partnership. Actually, nabigla ako kasi ngayon lang yun na-open. But, hopefully, in the future, sana, kasi into kids din siya, and then, he's helping kids in Bicol. And I've never been in Bicol. So, gusto ko din makapunta sa Bicol, and ma-share ko din yung books ko. Ma-share ko din yung books ko, and hopefully makakuha din ako ng partnership with other organization para mo supportahan din financially kasi hindi biro yung gastos sa mga publications. But I'm not a fan of publications kaya I'm posting it online for free so everyone can have an access whether they can read it digitally or print it in any form. That's it.
And alright, lastly, since you are officially Tanawan City, Batangas, anong message mo sa mga supporters mo ngayon?
I am actually happy right now. I'm very proud that my city, Tanawan City, is very supportive, especially in the city government of Tanawan and our honorable mayor, Sonny Colliantes. I would like to say to them that thank you so much for the overcoming support and hopefully makuha natin yung title for Mr. World and mabring ko yung pagkapanalo sa bayan natin. Kasi hindi lang naman ako yung lumalaban dito. Buong Tanawan, buong Batangas. I'm fighting for this for you, people of Batangas. And hopefully, sabi ko nga, kung maging Mr. World, buong Pilipinas, sana maging proud din sa akin. Thank you so much.
Pinag-exit ako sa BWAP.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Archan Perez of Tanawan City, Batangas for Mr. World 2026. And good luck to you in the next meetings.
Thank you so much, Jel.
Thank you.
God bless.